Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be showing you 3 different looks using a drawstring puff ponytail. Stay tuned. Okay, so I ordered this drawstring puff ponytail on Amazon. I ordered 4 of them actually. This one is in the color T1B27, and I also ordered a burgundy one, and you'll see that in the upcoming video. So again, I ordered 2, both in this same color. I'm gonna take the netting off so that you can see what it looks like. Okay, so here is the puff straight out of the packaging. I am going to go in and fluff it a bit before using it, but it comes with 2 combs and a drawstring. Very easy, simple application. So I am going to be doing 3 styles again today. I'm going to be doing a high puff, low puff, and a double puff. So keep on watching. So this cap is from Curl Keeper, and I absolutely love it. Like, my hair is not in a ponytail or anything. I literally this is what we're looking like under here, but I literally just gather my hair together. Has a big opening in the back for us curly girls, and I literally just do that. Quick, simple, cute, easy style. This is what I have been rocking to the gym when I go and work out. So convenient, and it's cute. I have this in black and in white, and again, this was gifted from Curl Keeper. All right, back to the video. I'm going to start with the double puff, and this hair is in desperate need of a washing, but I'm trying to stretch my wash day, so this is the perfect way to do it. So we're just going to part this down the middle. And the part does not have to be super straight, but you want to get it as straight as possible. Okay, so I have split my hair in half. Hopefully the back isn't looking too crazy. And I'm gonna take one of my scrunchies to get this part out the way so that we can work on this section, which again is very dry. So we're going to add a little moisture to it. All right. So I'm gonna add a little moisture to this section. And then we're going to go in with our gel. Okay, so I'm definitely feeling like a little teenager with these little pigtails, as we used to call them back in the day. But we're gonna take these 2 puffs and turn them into some blonde puffs, so keep on watching. So our puffs are done, so we're going to go ahead and wrap them around in a little bun, and then add our drawstring. So we're going to fluff her out just a little bit. And then I'm going to insert the comb, insert the comb, and then take our drawstring, tighten it, make sure it's secure, and then we're just going to take the string and wrap it around. And here is look number one. Literally took me 5 minutes to put my hair in a ponytail, add these 2 puffs. Super cute. Wait, didn't even do my edges yet. Let's get those edges together, girl. Let's add a little edge control. And this is the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Super Hold Edge Control Gel. So we're not gonna do much, but we're definitely gonna get these edges together, because that just brings the whole look together. And then we're gonna take out some little pieces on the side. That's always a look. Let me know in the comment sections what you think about style number one. I'm feeling it. I'm liking it. But let's move on to style number two. Okay, so we are going to take these puffs down, even though I don't want to because they're so cute. But I have 2 more styles to do. So now we're going to work with just one of the puffs. And I have to take these 2 ponytails down. Okay. For the second style, we are going to do a low puff. So I'm not gonna add any extra gel. And I'm gonna just go ahead and keep that part there. Again, we just kept the little part in the front. And now we're going to add our puff. All right, so we are going to take our puff and stretch it all the way out. So we're going to release the drawstring all the way so that it can stretch completely out for this low puff. We are also going to fluff it out a bit more. We do want our low puff to be kind of full. So the combs are on the sides. So I'm going to insert, first I have to put this in a little bun. Quick, simple, low ponytail. look number 2. Another quick 5-minute hairstyle. Let me know in the comment section which look is your favorite so far, 1 or 2, and number 3 is coming up. Stay tuned. Okay, so we are now going to take down style number 2 and just loosen up the drawstring. Take our ponytail out. Style number 3 is going to be a high puff. So I have to redo this ponytail. Let's see if we can get away with not adding more gel. This time we're doing a high puff. So I'll have to redo the edges. Let's fix these sides. Add a little bit of gel to them and twirl them around. And they'll do their own thing. Okay, for our high puff, we're going to again loosen our drawstring all the way and stretch our puff out flat. Again, we're going to, keep forgetting. So now we're going to secure the combs on the side. Take our drawstring and pull it tight so that it's secure. And then just wrap our string around, tuck it, fluff the puff to our liking. And that's it. Another quick, cute 5-minute hairdo. Number 3. Definitely loving all of these looks that I have tried with this less than $10, I believe $7, maybe even $6. I'll make sure that I put that information in the description box as well as the link where I purchased this from Amazon. But this definitely less than $10 puff and created these 3 super cute styles, simple, fun, easy for the spring and the summer. Again, let me know in the comment section below which style is your favorite. Number 1, the double puffs, 2, low puff, or 3, the high puff. I'm definitely feeling all of these styles. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.